Here I have Nokia G50, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound section, and then phone ringtone. Here you can select one of these pre-installed ringtones. You can add your own one by selecting the song from your phone's memory, any other like audio file. But I'm just going to select one of these pre-installed ones. We have a lot of them to choose, but my personal favorite one, of course, this one. So beautiful. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.